Welcome to within. There is nothing outside of you that you need. The light, the clarity, the wind have always lived within. My child feels my calm. I notice how my body becomes softer when I think of my child. Not smaller, not dense, softer. There is a quiet strength in my chest, a steady warmth that doesn't rush anywhere. I am a mother, and my body knows how to hold life gently. The first signal, my nervous system, before words, before actions. My child feels my state. So I begin here. I feel my breath slow down naturally. My shoulders release. My jaw softens. There is no emergency in my body, and because of that, there is no emergency in my child. I imagine holding my child. The weight is warm, real, grounding. My arms don't tighten, they support. My chest stays open. I don't hover, I don't creep. I allow space even inside closeness. My child relaxes into me because I am relaxed inside myself. My voice, a place to rest. When I speak, my voice is calm, not instructive, not rushed. Even silence feels safe here. I don't feel every moment. I trust the space between sounds. My child breathes easier near me. I don't transmit fear. I notice something important. I am not passing down my fears. I am not preparing my child for struggle. I am preparing my child for trust. Life doesn't feel dangerous in my body, so it doesn't feel dangerous in theirs. Love without overgiving. My love is steady, not anxious, not consuming. I don't disappear into motherhood. I remain myself, and that is what gives my child safety. They don't need me to sacrifice my life. They need me alive. My body is a regulator. I feel my feet on the ground, solid, present. I am here. I am not overwhelmed by responsibility. I am capable. My body is calm enough to guide another nervous system. And that feels natural to me. A future that feels safe. When I sense the future, my body doesn't dance. I don't see struggle. I see growth. I see support. I see provision. My child grows in an environment where calm is normal. And this is it, the gift. I place one hand on my heart, one on my belly. I breathe. And this is what I give my child. Not perfection, not control, calm. And it is enough. Today, I regulate myself first, before responding, before explaining. I let my calm lead, and my child follows naturally. My child feels my calm. 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 Stay here for a moment. Let this state settle into your body. Carry it with you. Within, the light is already yours.